This is a brand new 2013 Ford Explorer. It features a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, third-row seats, a low tire pressure indicator, XM satellite radio, 18-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a 6-speaker audio system, leather and alloy steering wheel trim, a rear spoiler, a security system, dusk sensing headlights, a rear window defroster, and roof rails. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Metro Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 9000 Northwest 7th Avenue in Miami.